Hi guys, welcome to another video about the Contax 645, my favorite camera in the whole world. Today I want to show you the difference between shooting at f2.0, f2.8, and f4.0. Those are pretty much the three that I usually leave it on. I do a 5.6 occasionally when I'm doing large group shots, but most of the time it's 2.0 and 2.8. And some people think, can there even be that big of a difference between 2.8 and 2.0? And the truth is, yes, there is. And I want to take you on a visual slideshow today and let you see how certain things are photographed at 2.8 and 2.0 and what it looks like. For me, I use 2.0 when I'm trying to get one thing into focus and everything else look beautiful. So when I'm photographing a tablescape, there's this awesome image where it's a cup that I focused on and behind it is the vase that had the water in it. And it really looks like a painting. It's so beautiful. When I photograph lips, eyelashes, I want to get some beautiful movement. I want everything to look really dreamy and one part to look sharp. I photograph at 2.0. If I'm going for a more general in focus, like two people in focus, 2.8, but they have to be on the same plane. If one's back a little, they will be out of focus. And if you're doing 2.0, even if you focus on an eye and the other eye is not on the same plane, it will go out of focus. So here's a couple of photo examples of what 2.0 looks like versus 2.8 versus 4.0. I hope that is helpful so you can see that this camera is worth every single penny just to photograph on f2.0.